and Pastor Friday.
First set nanalo yung mga taga Kamanang. Second set, lamang pa rin ang Kamanang. Hopefully makarecover ang private. Second set na ito, second set. Naka isang set sila Tantan at saka si Roque. All one sila ngayon. Third set na to, third set. Sobrang dikit, sobrang dikit.
Result, secondary girls, first singles, game number 5, table number 4. Played between cluster 10 and cluster 9. Winner, cluster 10. Next match, secondary boys doubles, game number 5, table number 3, to be played by private Allen Pescador and Carl James Jimenez. Against Cluster 4, Dylan Bauzon and Giancarlo Ferrer. Proceed to table number 3. For secondary boys doubles, game number 5. Private Allen Pescador and Carl Jimenez versus Cluster 4, Dylan Bauzon and Giancarlo Ferrer. Please proceed to table number 3. Okay, for the chief umpire, table number 3, Sir Ruel. We saw elementary girls second singles, game number 5, table number 1, played between Cluster 10 and Cluster Private. Winner, Private Schools.
Yun!
Match for elementary girls doubles, game number 5, table number 1. Okay. Next match, elementary girls doubles, game number 4, table number 1. To be played between Cluster 2, Christine Songa and Paula Jane Magalang against Cluster 4, Bernes Laporteza
Ilaban nyo, ilaban nyo!
and Selena Rose De Vera. Proceed to table number 1.
Rocky, tangad mo na tarakit.
Elementary girls doubles, game number 4, Cluster 2, Christine Songa and Paula Jane
Isa na lang,
Magalang
isa na lang.
versus Cluster 4, Bernice Laforteza and Selena Rose De Vera. Table number 1. Chief umpire, Sir Jason. Yan. Bagong-bagong sa kanya. Lakas pa. Scorer for table number 1. Okay, it's already 4 o'clock in the afternoon at napakaganda ang ating weather. There is no such weather disturbance. So, enjoy lang tayo. Oh, baka bukas karating na. So, announcement pala sa ating mga coaches from the different participating clusters. Please find time to join our group chat para sa ganun ay updated kayo kung mayroong mga announcement regarding our system 2024. Baka biglang may bagyo o ano. So, for you to be updated always, please see our secretariat dito sa table official para
Tuwan lamang ang kamanang.
sa ating
Naghahabol ang private.
group chat. Okay, ang ating pangalan yung GC natin is System Table Tennis 2023-2024. So hindi pa updated yung taon, pero siya pa rin. System Table Tennis 2023-2024. Yan ang ating official group dito sa Messenger. Siguro rin yung mga membro na nandito sa ating GC ay pwede na i-add yung mga coaches natin this 2024 system. Updated sila sa pangyayari. Kasi ang announcement na awarding natin ay November 16 doon sa SM. Hindi naman malinaw kung sabay-sabay. Ang sabi, kapag mayroon na tayong mga winners, i-coordinate natin kay Tuning ang sarap to be personalized medals. So winners will be receiving a personalized medal. So, magkakaroon po ng medalya lahat ng mga bronze medalist, silver medalist, and gold medalist. Kaya, coaches, please check the spelling of your athletes, lalo na pag makapasok sa bronze, silver, and gold medals. So today is holiday, it's Pangasinan Day, but it's the call of duty. So for our coaches na officially involved in this event, please prepare your daily time record after the for you to claim your service credits. Okay, result for elementary boys doubles, game number 4. Played between Private and Cluster 10. Winner, Cluster 10.
Sayang. Sayang, natalo yung pamangkin ko sa Kamanang. Dalawa sila ni Roque. Pero okay lang, meron pa tayong chance. Nice game.